stop letting buyers think they can wait to buy your item. Here's how to trigger FOMO on every listing. Now, there is a cognitive bias naturally in humans. When something is almost gone, it makes you want it more because you know there's a chance you may never get it again, right? So that's why having like only one left in stock, even two left in stock on eBay, can make the difference between generating 10 sales in a day or generating none. Now you can see this item right here this says last one in stock, right? But somehow they have 547 sold. Now, they know the game. They're using a special tool where if you buy this, what happens is the listing goes right back in stock. So you think you're getting it and it's the last one, but it's not the last one. What they're using a special tool, right? Now, before you turn on the special tool, you want to log into your eBay account and you want to make sure if your listing gets purchased and sold out, it's still active. So what you're going to do is go into your eBay, click on account settings, go to selling preferences, and then you're in selling preferences, and then we're going to go to, here it is, listings stay active when you're out of stock. And you can learn more about this if you want, but pretty much what happens is if you don't have this turned on, you want it to be turned on. If you don't have it turned on, then once this one sells out, your sales history is gone. So that 547 sold, which helps increase sales and credibility, is gone. So you want to keep this on. So that way, when it does sell out, it still says that there's 547 sold when you relist it. Okay, that's the gist of it, right? So make sure you do that. And then there's a tool right in the description. It's called 3D Sellers right here. And that's the tool that's going to enable it. They have a free trial, so you might as well start it out. But this is what it looks like, right? You got all your stuff right here, right? And you have your listings. You just connect your eBay account, sync it. They're really legit, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into eBay. And then you're pretty much going to click on you're going to sync your listings. And then you're going to scroll to the right. It's going to show all of your listings. But this is where you can do the damage, is right here under inventory control. You're going to turn this on. Once you turn this on, you're going to put your secret number that you actually have at your house or at your warehouse. So let's say we have 99 units. You would change this to 99. And let's say we only want one to show on eBay. So we just put 1. And then we turn this on, just like that. Now you're going to click Apply Changes. What's going to happen is it's going to look just like this listing right here, where it's going to say you have one in stock or it's the last one in stock. And right when somebody purchases it, they're like, yes, I got the last one. It automatically relists the listing, right? Now, that's a really good way to generate more sales. And I highly recommend trying it out. But I would start with up to 2 in stock. So it's more reasonable. But that's completely up to you at the end of the day. Now, this does increase sales. This is one of the easiest ways to increase sales on eBay. And I haven't seen any sellers getting in trouble for it. So you might as well test it out and see if it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want me to make more videos on eBay, let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an eBay seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.